अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। In the last lecture, we had finished till verse number 18, and in that verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was talking about the hypocrites only. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was giving us the example of the hypocrite person. The person who kindles fire, then when the fire lit, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala takes away his eyesight. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was talking about that. Here also Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, this is the same ruku. So here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about the same hypocrite people only and giving some more examples. Aw means or. This aw means or. Ka sayyibi. Ka means like, sayyib means rainstorm, or ka means like. Sayyib means rainstorm. Or like the rainstorm, min from as-sama. Alif lam, this alif lam will give the meaning of the. Sama means the sky. This sky. Fihi is addition of two words, fi plus he. Fi means in, he means it. Or like the rainstorm from the sky, in it zulumat. Zulumat means pitch darkness. Wa and ra'ad. Ra'ad means thunder. Wa and barq. Barq means lightning. Zulumat means darkness. Zulumat means darkness, pitch darkness. Pitch darkness. Pitch darkness. Ra'ad means thunder. This is in that rainstorm. Wa barq. Barq means lightning. So, yaj'aluna, what they do? Ya and Vanun, it will give the meaning of they. Ja'ala means to make, but here it will give the meaning like to put. They all put asabi'ahum. Asabi'a means fingers. Hum means they are. They are fingers. Fi means in. Azanihim. Azanihim. This word is again addition of azan plus him. Azan means ears. Him means there. This is the plural of uzunun. Uzunun means one ear. In their ears, minas sawaik. What they do? They all put their fingers in their ears. Minas sawaik, from a sawaik, the thunderbolt. Okay? Or because of the thunderbolt. Hazar al-maut. Hazara means fear. Al-maut means death. Out of fear of death. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that such hypocrite people is like the example of, or like the rainstorm from the sky. In it is pitch darkness and thunder and lightning. They all means the hypocrite put their fingers in their ears from the thunderbolts. Out of fear of death. Wallahu. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala muhit. He is all encompassing bil kafirin, to the disbelievers. B plus al plus kafirin. With the disbelievers or to the disbelievers. This B is, what is the meaning of B? B means in or with. B means in or with. Sometimes to also. Okay. So here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that if someone is closing the eyes, so the situation never changes. Okay. So here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has encompassed them from all the sides. So ultimately they are not going to be rescued. Now let's go for the next verse. Yakadu, almost, al-barq, the lightning. The lightning yakhtafu, will snatch away. Toy and fa is the root word here. Will snatch away. Absarahum, their eyesight. Kullama, whenever the lightning is such that it will snatch away their eyesight. Kullama, whenever. Kullama means whenever. Kullama means whenever. Whenever. Yakhtafu means snatch away, will snatch away. Whenever it lit lahum, la means for, whom means them. Whenever it lit for them, mashaw, they all. This waw alif will give the meaning of they all. Masha means to walk. They all walk fihi. Fihi is again addition of two words. Fi plus he means in it, in that light. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that whenever it lit, what lit? The lightning. They walk in it. Wa means and iza means when. And when azlama, it darkens. Alayhim, the root word here same, zoy, lam and mim. Here also the root word is same, zoy, lam and mim. And the meaning is also same. And when it darkens, alayhim, Allah plus him, upon them, qamu, waw alif, they all, qama means to stand. They all stood still. Okay. Qamu, they all stood still. And when it darkens upon them, they all stood still. Walau, and if sha'a means he willed. Who willed? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wishes. And if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wills, la zahaba, this la means surely. Sometimes la goes into surely also. And most of the time it is for. La zahaba, surely. Yesterday only we did this. Zahaba followed by B will give the meaning of taking away. Zahaba plus B will give the meaning of took away. Surely Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would have taken away sami'ihim. Him means their, sami means hearing. Okay, they are hearing. Wa absarihim, and they are absar means vision or eyesight. Inna Allah, indeed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah means over, kulli means every, over every, shay'in means thing. Indeed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is over everything, qadir, he is all powerful. Now let's revise these. Yakadu, almost, the lightning snatches away their eyesight. Whenever it lit for them, they all walk fihi, in it. And when it darkens upon them, they all stand still. And if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wills, surely he would have taken away, zahaba plus B, he would have taken away their hearing and their eyesight. Indeed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala over everything, he is all powerful. So this was for today. If you don't get anything, please do ask me in the comment box. Wa akhiru dawana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.